Hello, in front of me I've got Peugeot 2008. In this video I'll show you how to manage cruise control. To activate cruise control, take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Twist the rolling button on the lever to cruise position. Now accelerate to desired speed and press plus button behind the panel. Now the cruise control is activated. While the cruise control is activated, you can let the acceleration pedal go. Now you can increase the speed by pressing plus button, decrease it by pressing minus button, and via this button you can change distance from the following car. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.